Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be about one expensive repair that you can prevent on your Shimano as well as the Campagnolo as well as the Shimano drivetrain, and I'm going to just get into it now so you can see what I'm talking about. So here in Canada now, it's spring season, so people are coming in, bringing in their bikes for the tune-ups. And a couple days ago, I was in my bike shop, and guess what? A gentleman brings in nice Pinarello, just like mine, and it was more than obvious that he wanted to replace the chain. So the chain was pretty worn out due to the excessive mileage, as well as the not maintaining it, cleaning it. And however, when they took a quick look at it, guess what? He also needs a rear cassette. Okay, so let's get back to this and point out what happened here. The chain on this thing here, 11-speed Campagnolo Latina, is about $50, and maybe $15-20 to install it. Not a big deal. This is where the problem begins. To replace this puppy over here, this thing is about 180 Canadian. So what I will do, I will put link description down for the cassette as well as the chain, where you can find it on my affiliate link. So the problem begins that he's on the hook for a $50 on the chain, and then $180 for the Campagnolo 11-speed cassette. So this is the part that's really expensive. I'm gonna get you here to have a quick look at it. 11-speed cassette. So also to swap out the cassette, he's looking at about $40 in labor, $10 to do the chain, $50 for the labor, and then about $230 in the parts. So if you look over here, we are talking about $300 in repair to get this sorted out. I think that's quite a bit of money. So what the purpose of this video will be, always check your chain, and I have a few links down in the description how to check your chain. Make sure that you get your chain replaced before it's 50% worn out, because what's gonna happen, your cassette is gonna start to wear out, and guess what? You're on a hook for the cassette. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. All the best. Bye-bye.